Daki Pongut Kirkot ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC haka Sautarik Nailar kila Pynlong da ke jingiakhih apo Don Bosco Square lai umkhra ban penpau pyrshah ya ke jingnang kiu ki kam thombor ya kirit paj Khristan hapo keri India. Na kaliang kini kirkot ke Congress kila ra ru ringkat ya ki jingthok ban penremjur ya kini ki kam thombor. Kani ke jingiakhih kalawan rong ru khendiat singi hadin ke jingsha kiam jong ki angut ki reuniam sister kabalang Catholic na Kerala ki bokenthop ya ka sister Pretty Mary bat ka sister Vandana Francis na lor uwei ubaya trilang u sukaman Mandavi na Bilaspur Chhattisgarh halor ka jingkeno don khti ha ka kam khai briu bat pen kelaniam jubor. Yakini hilangut la ajamin no haka arterik nailar da ka yingka syari bekerpang ke National Investigation Agency NIA. Hakini ke jingiakhih kino ya lambat ki dekhot ke Kongres kila pendremjur ya ki kenhun shitniam bat dawan ke sorkar NDA balaya lam da ke BJP hapo Delhi bahkan syim mardori ki sinjam bat khanglat ya ki bekum kini ki kam thombor pyrshah ya ki paj Khristan hapo kari.
The constitution jungi kai ya ka jingat duit Apro kalian, mereka jingle, jong, kah, kumusong, di pulut sethi, berkibrim persethi sport Chhattisgarh, yang itu ki sesta, kah, pengenyo, kah pensmit yang ini bak sethi, mar hidup tip, bagi ini minority, tekan ayu, kan wanja sethi, hakini gisni gisnam di banwan. Kadang, ngawan hanya, ban ay mensin, ban penkendit penriu lagi, beriu jogi hari kering, kebaik, bertibriu tibleng, baginya senok tilang, baginum ailat pun gini gijat, ban thombor, iya, iba kumpi missionary worker, pati kiwi niam, kumbalong, sebab mau sandra mata, iya peacefully, kaya terah ke jongki, nim tau, tiga jingat joki nim tau. Yang ilat, hukumta, mengharpat lang ya kah, government, pemerintah, penyesnok tilang, bapek, bakum kini kijingja kinumja syuk nangis kaman.
We really need to change all that, and I think that should start with the public at large. We, especially in Meghalaya, where it's so cosmopolitan, especially in Shillong, and I think that kind of a change should happen from us, because only citizens can do the change. It is not the political leaders, it is not anybody, it is not religion. Nobody can bring the change, but it has to come up from our own hearts. It has to come out from our own thoughts. And I believe so that we stand here and we condemn against this injustice that keeps on happening and the atrocities, because it is something that it will keep on culminating. Because if somebody does bad to somebody, then somebody will do bad to somebody else. And we start looking at each other rather than having a friendship kind of an approach. People will start looking at each other with a lot of suspicion. And that's the kind of thing we need to stop in the society that we live in.
This is not just an attack of two people. This is an attack for the freedom of religion and humanity itself. Let us be clear that justice must be blind, not biased. Faith is a personal right, not a criminal act. And helping the poor, the orphan, the marginalized should not to remain silent watch injustice grow, or to stand up and speak out for truth. We choose peace, unity and justice. We will not let hatred divide us.
All the Christians and the other communities have been facing. It is not that a new thing that we are bringing. So many times different atrocities has been going on in different states. I feel because nothing should happen like this, which has been a violation of the Constitution of India, where the right for religion of everyone to believe in their own religion, which they feels like emotionally attached with. There is no forced conversion, and no one can force anyone. I feel like under the prime ministership of our honorable Prime Minister Mr. Modi, which always call for Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao and Beti Sikhao. It is quite different which the narrative they have been given all along there, but they are killing the constitution in the other way around. We have got the right to believe our own religion. We have never disturbed anyone, any religion, as far as their religion is concerned. In Meghalaya, we have seen so many mandirs, so many Buddhist temples, and then Sikh. They are living peacefully here, especially in Meghalaya. We have never faced any problem with that. We welcome everyone because the provision has been given by the Constitution of India. So we will go by the Constitution. But somewhere and somehow down the line, the implications has been brought out for some political gain, which is not feasible. It is not nice for the country itself.